Hello, in this video I am going to talk about how you can create a post in WordPress. See, WordPress is a CMS, content management system, and the important feature that any CMS or LMS brings to you is that you can create any post without writing the code. If you do not use a CMS, then you have to write HTML code in order to create your pages or posts. On WordPress or in other CMSs, you can simply write the post as you write in MS Word. So WordPress has its own way how you can create posts. So let's follow it. So this is my WordPress website, yogendra.practiceaccount.in, and this is the home page as you can see here. In this home page, you can see the website name and something about the website, and then finally here is one post named Hello World. This is the default post that WordPress provides you when you install WordPress. So this is one post, but you can create your own post. In order to create your own post in WordPress, you have to log into the WordPress first as an admin. So I have already logged in, and you can see that just by looking at this top bar, this black color bar you can see here. This is visible only when you are logged into the WordPress as an admin. Now here I can see this plus icon, and here you can see that this says new. What do you want to create new? A post, a page, a media, or user. So right now I want to focus on post, and this post and page is one kind of post. So basically post is also post and page is also post. You will get it when we will continue or when we will move ahead in this course. So the method of creating post or page is almost same. So let's now create a post. In order to create post, just click on this and then click on post, or you can go to the dashboard of your website. For that, you can hover your mouse on your website title and then click on dashboard. This is how you will come into the dashboard part. In dashboard, you can see both these options, like this post is available, and page is available. Right now I hovered my mouse to pages. This is why all pages or add new is available. You can easily identify that I have to click on add new in order to create a new page. If I hover my mouse on post, I will see the similar kind of menu there where it will say you want to see all posts or you want to add new post. So I will hover my mouse over here, and you can see add new is available here as well. So I can click on this, or I can click on this or this. This is how I'll create a post. So let's create a post. Add new. When I click on add new, what will happen? An absolutely simple form will open in front of me. The first thing that you can see here is add title. And then it says what type of block do you want to add to WordPress. WordPress gives you a block editor, which is known as Gutenberg. In Gutenberg, you can just create blocks, and your page is ready. You will see how easy is it. In the right hand side, you can see the properties related to this post. We will talk about it, and any block that you will select here, its properties will be visible here. On top, you can see there is a plus icon. This plus icon is nothing but similar to this plus icon that allow you to create a block in your blog post. That's all I believe. So now we will start by writing the title. So here you will write the title of your post. This is the title. You can give any title. The title that you will give will be converted to the URL. Now I will add a block. So first I want to simply create text. So when you want to create text, you don't have to worry about adding any block. You simply start typing. So this is the first paragraph of my post. This is what I have written here. I will just copy this and paste it multiple times so that it gives a feeling of a paragraph. I have created it, and you saw that I did not add any block, but although I did not add any block, the block is created, and this symbol shows paragraph. So a paragraph is created, and this is the property of this paragraph. This says left justified. This is bold, italic, link, and more properties will be visible here. And then furthermore, you want to see the properties of this block, you can click on these three dots. So this is a paragraph. Fine. I will now click on enter. As soon as I click on enter, I get another option to add another block. See, it says you can click on this plus to choose a block, or I can also type this slash to choose a block. So in both cases it's same. So let's do the easiest way. First I'll click on block. Now what do you want to add? I want to add a heading. So this heading is visible here. See, I would like to add a heading. I'll click on heading, and heading type is available here. Right now it's H2. See, in your blog post there is only one H1 is allowed. So you can have H2 or H3 or H4, H5, whatever heading type you want to give. So I am giving this the title heading 2. And it is a type of heading 2. Again, the properties related to this block are available here. This symbol shows that this is a heading. Let's click on enter, and now I want to add an image. In order to add an image, you have to click on this plus icon, and then here you should find an option to add an image. You can see the image option is also available. So let's click on image. It will ask you to upload a file or select a file from media library or insert from an URL. I can click on upload, and then it will ask me to select any file from my PC. I will select a file, and that is uploaded as an image. So you can select PNG, JPG, WAVP and few other image formats in your WordPress website. Now this image is uploaded. It shows many properties. So till now I haven't talked about any properties. So let's now look at some of the properties of image. Remember, properties will be different for each block. So this block's properties are available here, and some of the properties are also available here. As you have understood by now that the first icon that is visible when you select any block shows what type of block it is. So it is a image block. Then this arrow top and bottom shows me where I want to take my image. So I would like to move this block above heading 2, so it will be moved. See, if I want heading 2 to be on top of the image, so I can click on this or I can click on this. So this is how you can move blocks on top or bottom of the post. Then comes the image options. So this is a filter. You want to apply a filter, you can do so. You want to set the size. Where do you want to get your image? So it is none. So that means the complete area is covered with the image. You want to make it wide width, then it will cross the post section itself. Like post is up to from here to this point, but image is going throughout the web page. Then there are full width, align left, align center, or align right. So some of the options, as you can see, are available here. Then it comes for adding a caption. So when I clicked on this, I can give a caption to this image. And a link, if I would like to add a link, I can. And there is an option to crop as well. I can crop the image directly here. I don't have to worry about using any external graphics design software. So these are some of the properties related to the blocks. You have to export the blocks on your own, and only then you will be able to learn all about all the blocks. So this is how you create the post. You want to add more blocks, just click on this plus icon, click on any one of those things, like for example heading. I would like to add a heading 3 now. So when I am adding the 3, so I would do what? I will make this H3 from the properties, obviously. Now when you click on plus, you see that there are only 6 options available. But WordPress is not limited to this. You have many others. If you click on browse all, you will see all the options which are available, and you will be surprised to see the list of blocks types that are available in WordPress by default. Let's click on browse all. What happened? A whole list of blocks are now open. You see, there's a long list. So for example, if you want to add about an Amazon product, so what you will do? click on this plus icon or click on this plus icon. This will also open the same blog. So let's say I want to add a YouTube video. So what I will do, I will search for YouTube here. So you see the YouTube is available. I will drag and drop it here. And then I have to simply paste a YouTube URL. That I will do. So I have added a YouTube video. I have copied a YouTube video URL and I am pasting it here. See? And then click on embed. This is how your YouTube video will be visible. Again, if you want to make it wide width, you can do that. Now you can see the blog properties are hidden here. But don't worry, it will be visible if you click on this icon. See? This is how you can keep adding more and more blocks and create your page. Once your page content is complete, you have to look at the post properties. So some of the properties which are here, like visibility, public. You want to post it public, then keep it public. You want to publish it when? Immediately, or you want to schedule it to the later date, that you can do from here. Template, we will talk about it in some other video. URL, I have already talked about URL in one of the video, and if you don't want to show $p equal to 27, then you can change the blog URL to a simple name of the post URL. Then there are post formats. I have also talked about post format in one of my video. You would like to see it. Right now I am selecting standard. Author, who is writing the blog. If you want to select a different author and you are an admin, you can select it simply by drag and drop. Then comes categories. Sometimes when you write your blogs, in fact you should do it, it's a best practice. Whenever you are writing a post, you must categorize it. Otherwise it will be very difficult for you to find it when you need it. So by default a category blog is given. If you want to add more category, I will click on add new category and I'll give it a name. I am saying education, or maybe this is just a trial, so I'll say trial. Then click on add new category, and this is how the trial category will be available to you. Now you can select either blog or trial. So it will be visible very soon. Yeah. See, trial is available now. So I have selected trial. If you want to select both, you can select both. Then comes some tags. Do you want to give some text the way you give in Facebook post or Twitter posts? You can give some tag here as well. Trial, post, comma, something, something. So a comma separated list is accepted. If you want to remove, you can remove it from here. Then comes a featured image. Featured image is really a kind of necessity to have, because whenever you want to share your post to social media, it tries to fetch the title and featured image. So if you don't have a featured image in your post, then the post will be shared on social media just with the title and it will not look good. So in order to set a featured image, you just need to click on this, and then either you can upload a file or you can select already uploaded file from media library. So right now I am just selecting it and click on set featured image. Excerpt. Excerpt is a small description about your post. It's good to have because of SEO reasons. Or you want to display your post somewhere else in your website in a small format. At that time, you can utilize this excerpt. So I will just write about it. So this is a small description of this post. Again, featured image is optional, category is optional, tag is optional, excerpt is optional, but still it's good to have. Finally comes the discussion. Do you want to allow comments on your blog post? If yes, keep it on. And this is something that you should keep on if you want to allow pingbacks and trackbacks. You will understand these things when I will continue with my videos in future series. That's all. This is how you can write your blog post. But this is still not visible to the people. If I go to my website right now you will see only hello world. This post that we have created is not available. For that, what you have to do, click on publish. And when you click on publish, WordPress wants you to be sure that you are publishing the correct post. So it will show you the option again. That's why I have to click on publish again. And once it is published, it is available. You can see the link to view post here, or you can simply close this and see the URL here. You can see the URL now. Title of your post. The blog name is available. Now it's looking really nice. So I can either click on this URL from here, or I can click on that view post that was visible there, or I can simply visit my website, and now along with hello world, title of my post is also available. So that is the another blog. Now you can see title is available, excerpt is available. See, this is the small description of the post that I put in excerpt. When it was published, it's available, and image is also available. And this is a featured image, not the image that you posted on the post. So let's click on this and let's see how it looks. First, featured image is appearing, then title of post, paragraph, heading 2, image, caption of this image, heading 3, and video that we posted in the full width. If we have posted multiple blogs, all the blogs would have come here. But now this is the blog post, and this is how we can create posts. Don't worry about the look and feel as of now. It changes from theme to theme, and many themes allow you to control how your blog will look on single post or how it will look on archive. So I hope now you know how to create blog posts in your WordPress the way you are creating posts. Similarly, you can create pages. Similarly, you can create any custom post types. If you do not know about custom post type, I am going to explain it in this channel itself. So don't forget to subscribe to Learn by Watch, and don't miss any video that I am going to deliver to you about WordPress. Thank you very much.